this is a new series that I made. It's Skyblock, which is a really fun game. So let's get started. Here we go. I'll be sitting down here.
Speak up.
I'll be sitting down here in this chair. I don't know if y'all can see it.
Okay.
So hopefully y'all can see me. So what I have is lava and ice. First simple thing, wood. So after I'm gonna get wood, I guess I'll just extend my island. Once I have enough wood, if you can see that, there's a little desert little island. So I'll probably be going over there. Now I'm just gonna go get wood real quick. After that, make a crafting table, all the basics. Here we go. Here we go. Crafting table, done. Now I guess sticks. And then a wooden axe. Now the best thing to do and stuff like this, you don't want your sapling to fall off the edge, so you'll build wood around where the leaves are so that it won't fall off. And also, that's one way to do it. Well, that's how I do it, anyways. So that's over with. Now I just have to wait. So now it's called the waiting game. So now I might want to skip it a minute or something, but in the video. But right now got a sapling. So yeah, y'all don't have to wait. You don't have to wait anymore. So let's get started right now. So now I just have to wait for this. To make it more interesting for y'all guys, I'm gonna give myself a stack of bone meal so that it will just be better for y'all to watch, for the people who are watching. The only thing I know how to do this, I can't find bone meal, so this is just how I do. This is how I just do it. I get I get bones. I have to well, I'm just gonna give so this is all the bone meal I need, and just throw this off the edge. All I have to do is throw this off the edge now, and then I go back into survival so that I can play this more. So there'll probably be about 10 videos of this. Yeah, about 10 videos of this. Each one will be about 5 minutes long, or 10. So in about another 2 minutes, this video will be over. So right now, I'm just trying to get more trees, really, because I got food at least a little bit of food. Now when this sapling grows, this will. Hey, here we go. Magically, no cheats at all. So now all I have to do is cut down this tree. So now I'm just going to extend my island, and after should be using my axe. Here we go. Much faster. And this will be the